Today is very exciting because I'm going to reveal just new fund just came out, and this company actually, if you ever bought anything online, you might have used their servers because this company is actually one of the top payment processing company apart from Visa and MasterCard and also American Express. This is our company that right now is very down, and it's a stock that has more prospect for bigger growth. And today, instead of just having that growth, we are going to have this as a passive income stock that will pay you monthly. So this is from YieldMax. This is PayPal, just came out today. So I'm going to reveal today what it is and when it came out in the market and how much they're going to pay in dividend. And also I'm going to show you, finally, I'm just going to show you a little bit of the trading chart for actual PayPal from PYPY and also the actual PayPal itself stock, which is PYPL. So we're going to look at PYPY, which is a YieldMax PayPal option income strategy. So fund overview. The YieldMax PayPal Option Income Strategy ETF PYPY is an actively managed fund that seeks to generate monthly income by selling writing call options on PayPal. PYPL pursues a strategy that aims to harvest compelling yields while returning captive participation in the price gain of PYPL, which is PayPal. So, and also you have to understand here, they say fund does not directly invest in PayPal. We all know these funds, they use a strategy called synthetic cover call writing. So we have discussed about that. If you want to know more about that, you can also watch my other videos. I've made a very detailed about that. So fund investment objective, as usual, is to seek current income. The fund secondary investment objective is to seek exposure to share price of this common share of PayPal holdings. We'll look at the, of course, distribution rate right now is 0. We don't know how much yield they're going to pay, but I'm going to kind of give you an estimate of how much they're going to pay. How much they're going to pay? They're going to pay monthly. And when the first distribution will be in November, because right now is September 25th. When it came out, which is, of course, it started trading today, September 26th. So the first dividend won't be the next month, but will be in the month after that, which will be November. In early mid-November, they're going to pay the dividend if you buy today. Fund information. So the fund name will be YieldMax PYPL Option Income Strategy ETF, and the ticker symbol that you're going to put when you want to buy it will be PYPY. So very easy to remember. Fund inception, it came out on the 25th of September, which was yesterday, 2023. So the fund officially came out yesterday, but the trading, it started trading today on New York Stock Exchange. And we look at gross expense ratio will be 0.99. We look at asset right now, net asset value is 20 and asset is 20 because there's no much revelation until a week from now or tomorrow. We're going to know how much actually has been put for how much investors have put inside this fund. Share outstanding is 1 because they only invest in PayPal. This is called ETF, or one stock ETF. That means they're just going to write call on just one stock, which is PayPal. We look at the premium percentage, there's 0 right now. We look at the closing price is 20 and NAV, a median 30-day spread. So spread is pretty much how much the buyer and seller, the difference in price. Right now is pretty much none because it's just started today. So there's no much data on that. Let's go to the chart of the ETF itself. Title Trust, a YieldMax PayPal Option Income Strategy ETF. The price is 20.02 right now, and we look at the aftermarket was 20.32, so it went up at 1.5%, which is about 30 cents. We look at the previous close was 20 and open is 20, but it has gone up. The difference was between 19 to 31, so there's like a big spread right there. We look at the days range is 1981 to 2003, and volume, we don't have much average volume, but it was traded about 7,000, about 8,000 share were traded today. That's the data we have, and you can see the this chart right here. Of course, it went up and down. That's a chart. But after this won't tell us much because this is just started. Just pretty much today, but we can go to PayPal to see the volume, because this volume will tell us a lot about how much yield we're expecting. So we go to PayPal. This is PayPal Holdings Inc., which is actually stock that the YieldMax PYPL is going to write call on, right? So right now price is 58, and of course it went up 59. So we look at the 52-week range of this price. This stock, it's 57 to 95. So right now PayPal is almost 50% down. So it's a pretty good when it comes to either you want to invest in PayPal itself or you want to invest in YieldMax. PayPal is one of the most recommended stock. I know they have challenges that that's one of the things that most investors are worried about, the challenge from Fed now and other stuff. But we look at the volume, it's about over 15 million volume, right? Of on a daily basis, about almost over 11 million traded. So this is more volatile stock, so it's pretty good. Because look at this volume, tells us a lot that there's a good chance of this stock being, first of all, is going to be up. Look at 1 year target is 86. That's 1 year target on Yahoo Finance, and this is very conservative. But my other chart, I made a video about PayPal. The price target is going to be almost over 100. So if you buy today at 58, it's going to be almost double your money within a year. That's just price estimate. So looking at this chart, what's going to tell us is that first of all, PayPal, the yield here will be almost very close to what Nvidia and Tesla are going to be, pretty much. So we can predict it's going to be from 40 to 50, because the volume is very high and also is one of the hardest stocks on the market. So, and also not only that, you're going to get on conservative side. If you look at the 58 to that one, is almost more than 30%. So the stock will go up, because right now is at the lowest. If you look at the 1 year, right, it's very low, right? It was all the way to all the way to 86. Right now it's down. So there's no much down from this stock. So I think this stock is really good. Not only you're going to get the capital appreciation, but also you're going to get the yield that it's pretty much equal to what you're going to get from Tesla and Nvidia, which is from highest 30 to almost 50. That's it for today. That's a new stock. I just want to make sure I keep you update, and if it's your first time, just make sure you subscribe, because on this channel I always bring you this update on this stock. Pretty much this is your number one source for all the updates on YieldMax ETFs and other ETFs from the US and Canada. If you like my content, give me a like, and bye bye.